possibility of blemishes over time. Fourth, gentle enough for all skin types. Aloe vera jelly is hypoallergic and natural formulation makes it suitable for all ages and skin types, including children and those with sensitive skin. Free from harsh chemicals, it's gentle on the skin and ideal for anyone looking to avoid irritants in their skin routine. How to use aloe vera jelly? Aloe vera jelly can be applied directly to the skin as needed. Here are a few of its many uses. Daily moisturizer. Use a thin layer as a daily moisturizer to keep skin hydrated and healthy. Sunburn relief. Apply generously to sunburned skin for cooling, calming effect. Aftershave soother. Jelly's calming property make it perfect as an aftershave balm, helping reduce redness and irritation. First aid for minor cuts and scrapes. Keep a tube in your first aid kit to apply on minor wounds or insect bites. Scalp treatment. Apply to the scalp to moisture and reduce dryness, flakiness. Why aloe vera jelly is essential for skin health. Aloe vera jelly doesn't just hydrate the skin, it helps repair, protect, and nourish. The high content of pure aloe vera means that you are giving your skin access to some of the best natural ingredients to support long-term skin health. Unlike many skincare products that rely on chemicals, aloe vera jelly is all natural, making it ideal for maintaining healthy skin without unnecessary additives. Aloe vera jelly is more than just a product, it's a versatile skin solution that supports your skin's natural healing, hydration, and soothing process. Whether it's for sunburns, daily hydration, or an emergency fix for minor skin irritations, this product is a must have for anyone looking for a clean, effective, and gentle skin stable. Are you ready to transform your skin care routine with nature's best kept secret? Give aloe vera jelly a try and discover the soothing and hydrating power of aloe for your skin.